Hello, my name is Joseph Redmond. I would like to start off by thanking you for your time and for considering me for this wonderful opportunity. I'm going to present to you our latest project, Drillville Golf Club and Banquet Hall in Tulsa, Oklahoma. Now, over recent years, the golf industry has been revitalized. This is evidenced by capital investments made on numerous fronts. Local municipal courses and world-class resorts have been purchased at very good values as of recent years. Recapitalization has led to clubhouse and course improvements as well as an expansion in customer offerings. Golfers recently have been experiencing a larger selection of amenities and have been receiving more bang for their buck along the way. Now, most golfers expect a golf course to have 18 holes with a par of approximately 72, and they also like to have a practice range and practice greens. Now, in order to do all this and to meet all the customers' needs, we're going to need about 140 to 180 acres of usable land, which has already been acquired. Now, we're going to begin with 9 holes with a par of 35 or 36, and this should take about half of the acreage, and we plan to eventually expand to 18 holes over the next few years. Now, a lot of the costs in making a golf course includes the type of soil we're going to use, how much soil must be moved, the method that we're going to use to construct the greens, any major drainage required, the type of irrigation system we're going to use, and any costs involved in meeting regulatory requirements. The actual construction of the golf course, from groundbreaking to opening day, can be anywhere from 1 to 2 years depending on the weather and the amount of equipment and manpower used. Today, it often takes an additional 1 to 2 years to obtain all of the permits and required approvals before construction can even begin. This has already been taken care of, and we plan on hearing back very soon and having our registration all filled out. Maintenance budgets consist of 3 major components. 1. Payroll and employee benefits. 2. Course maintenance costs, which include chemicals and fertilizers, sand, sod and seed, maintenance equipment repairs, and others like that. This is estimated to cost about $300,000 to $350,000 annually. Now, third cost will be maintenance equipment leases. This includes the carts, the mowers, any equipment that we use on the golf course. And this, at a typical higher end course, will run about $150,000 annually, where we see ourselves a little under that, but we're going to use that as a number to begin. Now, the land that we bought, this is old farmland, and it has an irrigation system already built in, which is way above its age, and it actually will use 40% less energy than the average irrigation system. Now, for the banquet hall, we plan on making a banquet hall with a max capacity of 250 people. It's going to include a stage, a bar, and a dance floor. Now, I think that I should present this idea because I not only have a background in business, however, I have a background in golf as well. I've been employed at numerous golf courses over my younger years, and I feel that this experience allows me to answer questions in a manner that will make investors feel confident. This could also be a good opportunity to network, and I feel that because of my background, I can connect with local professionals and my past bosses to look for advice when it comes to running and setting up a successful golf business. Now, some traits that I like to say I am assertive, I am strong and forceful, but not overbearing. This is a happy medium between aggressive and passive. I am astute. I have a keen ability to accurately assess situations and turn my assessments into advantages. I am very cheerful. I'm noticeably happy and optimistic, and I'll simply have a smile on my face while I'm presenting, and I will, they'll be convinced that I really love what I'm doing. I am clear, I'm easy to perceive, and I leave no doubt. I attain clarity by testing my message beforehand. I am very organized, logical, and knowledgeable about the topic of golf. I am understandable and graceful and elegant. That is a quality that encompasses many of the others I've already named. I also am self-assured, composed, dignified, and in complete control of my presentation. Now, I hope that this was enough to make you see that I am the one that should go to Hawaii and present our newest project, Droville Golf Club and Banquet Hall in Tulsa, Oklahoma, to the board in hopes of receiving this grant. Thank you very much for your time.